In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change the time format on TradingView so your charts match your preferred style. Don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open TradingView on your browser or app and load any chart. Once you're inside the chart workspace, look toward the bottom right corner of the screen and click on the gear icon. This opens your chart settings. Inside the settings window, navigate to the scales or appearance section depending on your layout. Scroll down until you find the option called time format or time hours format. Here you'll see two options, 1 2 hour format and 2 4 hour format. If you prefer AM and PM, choose the 1 2 hour format. If you want a cleaner global standard view, select the 2 4 hour format. As soon as you select your preference, TradingView will instantly update your chart time. There's no need to manually save anything. If you also want to adjust the time zone, you can click directly on the time displayed at the bottom of your chart and choose your desired time zone from the list. This is especially useful if you're trading markets in different regions. And that's it. A quick setting change, but it makes reading your charts much more intuitive and aligned with your workflow. Subscribe for more TradingView tips and tutorials.